Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches and all over review of the Essie Rumor Jazz collection. As far as I know, this is not the Christmas or winter collection. It is just an in-between collection, in between the fall and winter / Christmas collection. Essie is always super confusing with what collection is actually what exactly, because they come out with so many like in-between sub-collections as well, and don't get me wrong, I love that. The more polishes, the merrier, true nail polish addict speaking right here. But yeah, it is just a gorgeous collection. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's just get into the swatches right away. This first color just screams Christmas to me, and that is also the reason like this entire collection just screams holidays, Christmas, festivities, like sparkles, lights, action, that is also the reason why it is so confusing to me. Like, why is this not the Christmas collection? Like, what's going on? But this first one is already really gorgeous. Even though it is a green, I actually really like it. It just reminds me of Christmas trees or just trees in general and just lights and stuff like that. This one is 801 dressed to excess. It is a gorgeous color. All of the colors from this collection have a beautiful shimmer festivity going on in there, and they are pretty much all opaque within just two thin coats. Oh, and for the record, you have probably already noticed it, but I had to shorten my long nails, and I had to shorten this thumbnail in particularly quite a lot because I actually got a tear in the nail bed area. Really stupid. I was unboxing a PR package and the box just slipped out of my hands, like the entire weight of the box just collapsed underneath the nail and it was just a mess. I had to fix it. Luckily it wasn't like a bloody mess or something like that. I was pretty lucky with that. It didn't hurt really either, but just to be safe I had to cut it shorter, like way shorter. So yeah, that's why my nail is shorter. But let's continue with the second color already. This one is called Bedazzle Me802 or 802, however you want to say that. This is definitely one of my favorites from this collection. It is a beautiful purpley sparkly polish. If you don't like your classic like holiday colors such as greens, reds, gold, silvers, this one is perfect for you. And I do know that a lot of you guys watching my videos love purple nail polishes, and this one is just so eye-catching. It is gorgeous. I love it so much. Like, I can't get over how beautiful I feel this polish is. And I have to say that if you like this one, you will definitely like the sixth and final color from this collection as well, which is actually called Rumor Jazz. So yeah, keep an eye out for that because I will be swatching it in a little bit, but it is quite similar but just a blue version and definitely gorgeous. Like, seriously, grab it if you have the chance to order these or buy these in like a regular store. Just get it because it is gorgeous. I don't know how often I will say the word gorgeous, stunning, beautiful and so on in this video, because I just can't get over how beautifully made these polishes are. Like, I love the shimmer in these. They are actually quite easy to remove afterwards as well. I didn't have like really like issues removing them. I didn't really have to soak it off either. It was just swoosh whoosh whoosh with a little bit of like nail polish remover and a cotton round and it was gone. Of course there are like some tiny sparkles and glitter particles that will get onto your skin, into the cuticle area, but it's not like you have to remove super chunky glitter or something like that. So yeah, I'm actually really happy about that too. And I just love the fact with like how opaque these are with just 2 coats. But the third color from this collection is actually a gold, like a yellowy golden kind of color. I don't feel like it is a true Christmas gold, and it is one of the lighter shades from this collection, which made it a little bit less opaque than the other colors. But just for the sake of this video and to show you what this one looks like with just 2 coats like I did for all of the others, I just applied 2 coats. But if you feel like I need a little extra oomph, a little bit more depth, maybe even a little bit more intensity of color, definitely go for that third coat in this one. As I mentioned, a yellowy kind of gold, but there is some silver shimmer in this one as well. I don't know, they're like kind of like mixing gold and silver together, and I'm not quite sure if I like it or I love it. I don't know. I don't dislike this color, but it is, I guess, my least favorite color from this collection. If they had made it more pure gold, I think I would have liked it better. But other than that, not a bad shade. It's just not really my cup of tea. Let's just put it to that. Then the next one is called Take It Speakeasy. Speakeasy? I hope I pronounced this correctly. You guys know Dutch is my mother tongue and English is just something that I have learned in school, but mostly just taught myself. So if I pronounced it wrong, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm very willing to learn from you guys, like all of you English native speakers. But this next color is kind of like a dark magenta kind of tone. Some say it's more of like a pinkish color, others are like it's kind of a pinkish purple. It's a difficult color to describe because the shimmer that's in this one has so many different tones that just makes it really hard to describe this color. I just feel like it is a magenta, like a true fuchsia magenta kind of color. It is very gorgeous, but make sure to use a good base coat underneath this color because it will definitely be staining your natural nail plate, like stains, discoloration, colored patches, stuff like that. If you don't care about it, just go ahead, just slap it on. But if you do want to rock like a naked nail every now and then without any discoloration or anything like that, definitely make sure to apply a good base coat because it is so rich in color. It is insane, and it will definitely stain the crap out of everything. But it is definitely a very beautiful color. I feel like there are some red sparkles in this one too, which makes it very festive, but overall it is a color I would wear any time of year, to be honest. It looks super glamorous. The fifth color is a beautiful silver, but it kind of has like a magical sparkle going on in there. It isn't a true metallic silver. There actually is a metallic-y silver in the actual winter or Christmas collection by Essie. I have already purchased that collection as well. Oh, and I have purchased all of these polishes myself too. I'm not sponsored. I'm not on the PR list of Essie, unfortunately. For some reason they don't want me or something, I don't know. But I just keep on loving their polishes, and their formula has really improved throughout the last couple of years, so I am a big fan, whether or not they are willing to send me items to try, you know. I'm just really keeping it all down to earth and honest because that is what I love to do here. I'm always like telling you guys where to get your stuff, how much it cost, whether or not it got sent out to me for like PR purposes or stuff like that. But this Essie color, like, let's get back into like the application and just the review because I'm rambling a lot today. This is called All You Ever Beaded, and it's just really pretty. It is once again one of the lighter colors, just like the yellow golden kind of color, but I really like this one a lot better. There is still a little bit of like golden shimmer in it as well, but I have to say it kind of looks like a muted holographic glitter, or just kind of like opalescent or something. I don't know. It looks pretty magical, and yeah, definitely festive, but also one you can wear all year round too, in my opinion. Then the last color that I have already mentioned a little earlier in this video is 806 Rumor Jazz It, and Rumor Jazz It is also the all over name for this collection, this in between extra sideshow collection. I don't even know like why they like come out with so many different collections, because usually it's just like season wise or like event wise. So I'm not quite sure if this is like Christmassy or winter, or I don't know. It's very confusing. Do let me know if you know what this collection is supposed to be for. I don't think it's like Halloween-ish either. I don't know. But this color is definitely gorgeous. It is very similar to the purple one from this collection, which was the second color, and it was also pretty much my favorite, just like this one. It is a beautiful royal sapphire kind of blue. The sparkles in this one are insanely gorgeous as well. This one was a little bit more sheer on the first coat, I feel like, than the other darker shades from this collection, but the second layer makes it completely opaque, and just, oh, I love this one. It looks so lush. It is very, it is quite festive if you look at it in like a holidays perspective, but I do feel like you can make some really beautiful like wintry snowy kind of designs with this as well. Not specifically Christmas wise, because not everyone celebrates Christmas the way we do here in the Netherlands. So yeah, definitely let me know what you would do with a color like this, like nail art wise, or maybe just slap it on all over the nails. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you in my next video.